still under investigation. Studio B Foxcast now. It's snowing in the south, but warm out west with record highs expected in Southern California for a second straight day at the noon hour on the West Coast. For more on your national forecast, beginning in the west, Janice Dean's
They
with us.
kind of deserve it, don't they?
Well, I don't know. Okay, maybe they do.
Well,
it was wet for a while.
Right,
Yeah.
and we had the nice weather on the East Coast,
True.
so kind of a flip-flop.
Turnabout is fair.
Yeah, absolutely. Beautiful day, absolutely, if you live on the West Coast, California. 76 in Los Angeles, broke a record yesterday. Looks like you could break a record today. 62 in San Francisco, 48 in Seattle with some showers. I'm sorry, I wish I could change it in Seattle. 64 rather in Denver, 67 in Dallas. Gorgeous day in Houston, 36 in Chicago. We're getting some messy stuff in Atlanta, and we could see some messy stuff in the Northeast tomorrow into Thursday. 40 right now in New York, and a gorgeous 75 in Miami. As we switch over to our radar, show you a storm system that we're watching right now in the Carolinas, North Carolina, South Carolina, seeing some wet rain and also some snow mixture, as well as Georgia, eastern Tennessee, and northeast Alabama. This storm system is working its way to the Atlantic. Again, it could manifest itself again into the northeast overnight Wednesday into Thursday. We're keeping our eyes on it because it could cause for some messy weather along the Cape Cod and Long Island, that kind of thing. So as we zoom in closer, and I'll show you where that accumulation is. Not much of an accumulation if you're in North Carolina, but enough to make it a messy, messy drive home, absolutely. And some accumulation in the higher elevations, so 3 to 6 inches they're forecasting. And your pan across America shows gorgeous weather in San Francisco, Los Angeles, 58 in Seattle. Beautiful sunshine in Salt Lake City, 64 as your high, 71 in Albuquerque. Twin Cities, 39 with some sunshine. Gorgeous in Chicago as well. Along the Gulf Coast states, you're enjoying some warm temperatures with some sunshine. Shep, back to you.
Perfect voting weather in Dixie. Thank you, Janice. Coming up from Studio B.